Let's show you how to switch your mutual funds from a regular plan to a zero commission direct plan. It's free and can be done under 2 minutes. Let's open the INDmoney app and click on mutual funds. Now tap on Add Existing Investments to automatically import all your external mutual funds. Click on the alert card and review your projected earnings and commissions. Now view recommendations to compare the projected earnings for each fund. This will help you gain insights on commissions saved and increased earnings for each mutual fund. Click on View Details for information on a particular fund. INDmoney also gives you different suggestions for holding or switching investments due to taxation and exit loads. You can get a calendar view of the amount you hold, switch partially, or switch completely. INDmoney also computes the taxes on your capital gains. Finally, just confirm the switch and bingo, it's done. Congratulations on saving commissions by switching to a direct mutual fund on INDmoney.
For every good financial action, get rewarded with INDcoins, India's most powerful financial rewards program to buy and sell virtual shares of the world's top tech companies.